Appreciate it, bro. Okay, one more. All right. Man, that Shelby something else. I be trying to tell him, man. Hellcats. That Shelby, man, something else, boy. Y'all, this is exactly why you go to a professional to get your vehicle wrapped. Oh my God. I understand there's some DIY or some, I'm gonna do it at home type stuff, but my guy, like, what the fuck? What is this part right there? Sorry, it didn't focus, but look at that shit. I'm sorry, man, like, and then it's that foil color that is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, I thought about getting this color on my car one time, but you have to order it from somewhere else. It's really expensive, and then I don't know if you guys can see in the wrap, like there's some inconsistencies with the color. Like there's a lot of streaks and it just doesn't look even, so that's why I didn't go with that color before. But Jesus, this thing needs to take that shit off and go get done professionally. I actually headed to the post office. I finally got my chemical made, and I actually got my first order. One of the subscribers decided to pick 3 bottles up for me, so I really appreciate that. As you guys remember, I was coming up with my own chemicals for my detailing business. Finally got my interior cleaner pretty much finalized, and I've been ordering like a bunch of bottles so that I can get everything, made up. I hand make these bottles so they're not like sent somewhere. I have to hand mix them, hand make them, so I kind of dilute them myself. Golly, everybody and their mama at the post office today. Sheesh. All right, here is the product. This is my wrapping for now. I actually am getting labels made to wrap around the bottles. I actually contacted someone to try to make labels for me, but I got this 3-pack that someone just picked up. I included a little brush in there, my card, everything. So I'm trying to get everything, pretty good. I've been doing detailing for 7 years, so I know what works and what kind of chemicals work. So I actually, like I said, I hand make these chemicals. Not the chemicals per se, but I hand mix them. I have to put different chemicals in there, make my own bottles, and I got these made up for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and head into the post office, get these shipped to him. Like I said, I appreciate that support. If you guys want these chemicals to try them out, full interior stuff, the plastics, carpet, shampoo, and everything inside. You can message my business page, message me on Instagram, they'll be available. We are back at the house, man. Finally, we got a performance part for the Gt500. Shout out to SPE Motorsports, or SPE Diesel. If you guys want to look them up, check out their website, order some parts, man. Support them. They supported me, and I really appreciate that. Got the pulley kit for the Gt500. I went a little bit aggressive on this pulley kit. This is a smaller size. This is actually a 2.5 pulley. Now with this pulley, with injectors and the car can make like 900 plus to the tire. With this pulley, I will need to get injectors, so I'm probably not going to be installing this at the moment because I will need injectors. But I did get a bronze hardware kit with a black pulley. They give you a pulley tool kit, so if you do need the tool for the pulley, you get that. And I also ordered this as well, adjustable auxiliary idler for the pulley. Since that is a smaller pulley with this belt, they recommend that you do use this idler. It is adjustable, and they also provide you with a belt. So this is the belt I'll be using. Comes with it. Anybody that needs any GT500 parts, man, check out their website. If you need diesel parts, stuff like that, Gt350, Mustang GT, they have everything on their website. Go by and check it out. Yes, sir. Man, that bronze hardware is beautiful, guys. Look at that. That's nice. That's crazy. That's real nice. With the 2.5 SPE pulley. Sheesh. Yeah, this is gonna look real nice on there. So you guys can see that on there with the bronze hardware on there. You get to pick the color of the hardware. There's other colors. I went with the bronze. As you guys know, the GT500 is gonna be Broly. So I wanted that green. We got the bronze with the pulley system. May do something with the blower, may not. I'm not sure yet. That's the tool kit. Now let's open up the auxiliary idler. The bolts that you need for it, right here. Get the idler itself. And this is adjustable, so with this, depending on the size of pulley that you get, you will probably need this, as you can adjust it for no belt slippage, stuff like that. It's got SP on it. Man, that's nice. That's gonna look really good with the pulley and everything like that on there. That's gonna look dope. Then we got the hardware, the belt. So next, I need to get injectors, man. So having said that, I need you guys' support. Make sure I hit that like, subscribe button. Support the channel, man. Share the videos. Get us out there so that, you know, this channel should have been blown up. I've been trying to, you know, do mods, switch cars, you know, stuff like that. But this stuff is expensive, man. For the GT500, when you get in cars like this, parts and labor, all that stuff gets really expensive. It's not like the Cadillac or the Corvette. It's not like that. This is pretty much way more expensive on stuff like this. Injectors that I need are quite expensive, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, support the videos, share the videos. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you didn't know, this right here. If you guys don't know, this is the stock pulley. We're going to be replacing it with the SPE pulley and the belt. And the idler will be right there. That's what it's going to replace, and it's going to be adjustable. So when we replace this upper pulley right here, we're going to replace the belt and that idler right there to not have a lot of belt slippage. This is what we're going to have. This is going to be right here replacing that. So it'll have that SPE logo right there. And that's going to look really nice once we get that installed. So it's gonna be real nice. Shout out to SPE Motorsports. Go check out their website, their page, their Instagram. Give them a follow. They also have a YouTube channel, so check them out on that as well. But this should create a lot of boost. Now, a lot of questions that I do get on my YouTube channel is, how did my CTSV make a lot of power? How did my C7 make a lot of power? And that is because the pulleys. Your pulleys make a big difference. The combination that you have between your lower and your upper is gonna make a big difference on how much boost you make, how much work your supercharger has to put in, you know, belt slippage, all that is very important. So whenever the CTSV guys, just because you change your upper pulley, it's not gonna make as much boost if you add a lower pulley as well. So just like the C7, when I added the blower, the same thing. I changed the lower pulley and the upper. So I made, you know, over 700 to 800 horsepower on those type of cars, just because you spin the blower a little bit harder. So on this one, I do plan on adding a lower pulley as well. But I think just for the lower, it is about $1,000 just for the lower pulley, so it's expensive. And the injectors are almost $2K for the ones that I want, or $1,000 for some that'll just get me by. But like I said, shout out to SPE. This should be great on the GT500, so stay prepared for that. Oh man, we're back in the Shelby, man. We got a Hellcat or something in front of us. He's trying it, but look, this is what I'm telling you. Mopars, I'll show him what the Shelby can do. Yeah, Mopar ain't ready, man. Yeah. Okay. spinning and everything. Blow the doors off that thing. What we call him? Shelby, boy. Telling them.